Your Excellencies, I understand that we had some tournaments today. I think we'd like for you to let us know what happened.
Yes. Now opens the court of their Excellencies, Fighting Griffin, Timothy, and Elizabeth.
Golf course are
Okay. Their Excellencies invite forth Forrester Einar.
Einar, I admit, I was not able to make it out to the range, but I saw a lot of arrows flying in the distance because of wind and hopefully with some accuracy.
For some, Your Excellency. I need to make it, but
Please, tell us about the day.
make us us.
May.
Well, so while you were out there and saw some things, you were there with us in spirit.
Oh,
Did you see the smile from someone? It is. Books, people, books. No. So yes, today we had 28 archers come out and shoot. We kind of opened this up as a Pennsic war practice, trying to simulate some of the typical shoots you might see at the Champions game. So we had ground targets and front bow targets, which we didn't have any early birds, not many people got the worm. And we actually ended up with a clout shoot. This whole day was apple themed. Would it be okay if I was to recognize our top 3 shooters of the day?
please.
And this is for the clout. For those who do not know what the clout is, the clout is where you have a target maybe 100, 115 yards away, and you launch an arrow up to try to get to draw down onto the target or as close to the pin as possible. We judged our winners based off the distance that the closest arrow got to the pin. And I can say that the 3 people I'm going to invite up and toss them to receive their prizes all got within a foot of the pin. Please. So, and I apologize if I get the order incorrect, but Forrester Mulzani came in 3rd place, and it was a fight throughout the day. For that, since today at the archery range was all about apples, you keep what you kill. I think he ends up right around 8 to 10 inches, somewhere in that range, or it's closer. Your closest was somewhere between 8 and 10? 12 inches. 12 inches, okay. Well, our second one, Forrester Salesian, I believe was at 8, and, or no, it's under 6, wasn't it? Or no, it was 8. It was an 8, was it not?
10 and a half for me.
10 and a half. See, I'm completely out of point. I believe there was some. Yes. Oh, look what we have here. Oh, more apples. It makes you love apples. Now, the one measurement I did not forget was that of the winner. Now, this person, wow, you should have seen it. The crowd went wild. There was a crowd. There are pictures. You expect to see those come up. But the top scorer of the day at 6 3/4 inches away from the pin, Molly of Flaming Griffin. She blew us away. She blew the target away. Not only does she have apples, but there will be a belt favor specifically in the hot skate tradition with the hot shoot of horseshoes and hand grenades. Because she had the best hot shoot of the day. Thank you. You did awesome.
Thank you so much.
Your Excellencies invite forth Master Anton.
Master Anton, was there fencing today?
Oh my goodness. There was a ton of fencing going on.
She was there.
As well you know. So, we started the morning with a Ladder of Renown tournament for cut and thrust. And, well, my turnout wasn't quite as good as I wanted, so maybe it was like a step stool of renown. But the fighting was brilliant, it was wonderful, and the winner was Adam the Strong. So, ladies and gentlemen, I need your help. I think that there was then this amazing outpouring of people trying to stab the ground. I believe that's somebody else's story. So
They succeeded.
But this afternoon we had a grand tournament. We had 46 fighters sign in. That was huge. We then went to a double elimination final and had a separate final for the novices. So for our novice winner, I have a copy of the Duelist Companion, how to fight the period style in modern English. And that goes to Lucretia. And last, for the overall tournament winner. Ooh, boy, that was a long tournament. I have a Darkwood Armory gift certificate for Vlad.
Thank you for running this.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you for allowing me.
How did the redecide go?
The redecide was incredibly popular. And it raised $302 for the Pennsic Rapier Scholarship Fund.
Thank you to everybody who came out to local meeting. It was fun. I would do it again.
Yeah, it was greatly appreciated to be a pincushion for everyone. And for a very good cause, so thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
For the generosity. Thank you very much.
Yep.
And their excellencies invite forward Sergeant Atson.
Hi, Sergeant Atson.
Answer, was there any heavy fighting today?
I just a little bit. I didn't see it. So, we had 2 tournaments today. We had a novice variant, so anyone without a fighting award and not having previously won a tournament. And that winner was Barbosa. Receiving a $15 gift certificate to Candy Leather for your next project. Congratulations.
And here. Congratulations.
All right, and for the grand tournament, we have two prizes. First goes to the overall winner of the tournament, who was Sir Ingle.
Foxy.
He will be receiving a
Ingolf, give a pouch. No, this way. Okay, get a pouch. Get a pouch.
It does match your outfit.
It goes with your eyes.
and the last prize was to go to the unbelt that scored the highest in the tournament. So that was Earl Hart, but he has elected to give the prize to the next runner-up below him, which was Excellency Kell.
But effective fighting.
You also get
Thank you very much.
For everyone who participated in the tournaments today, move on.
Huzzah!
Everyone who came out today, thank you so much for making it a wonderful day, and thank you so much to the staff.
Thank you for the support of your excellencies, Timothy and Elizabeth.